Hey, hi. In this video, we're going to look at Tango app. Okay, we're going to look at what is inside this app, how you can use it. Can you actually build an audience and make real money streaming on your phone with this app? Okay. Also, you're going to see about how much people have made money, how much money you can make on this app. I'll start by discussing the first feature that I like about Tango is the global community and real-time translation. Okay, in this app, when you kind of chatting with someone, you have an option to kind of switch to you can switch a language. Okay, there's an option to kind of choose a language. So in case the person you're chatting with doesn't really know English, you can try to change the language. Maybe it's a French or whatever, something like that. Okay. There's also multi-guest video and audio rooms, as we're going to see. You don't have to stream alone. You can do maybe a 9-person group broadcast, audio on a broadcast, something like that. Okay. So after installing the app looks like this. I'm going to use screenshots. Reason being is it's a bit tricky to explain this app when it's live because there's some content which is kind of adult content, so which I can't really explain lively. So what I did is some of these pages I did a screenshot so that I can easily explain to you well. Okay. So within the app, you're going to see that people can do more guest videos and audio rooms. If you look at this app at the top, there is audio, there's match, there's games. Okay. So we're going to see how this is done. And also there are media packs. This is a new feature where creators can curate and share photo to video albums directly with their follower base. Okay. So actually, if you are using this app as a creator, you have to try to grow a following because the more followers, the more probability of getting gifts whenever you go live. Okay. So the first time that you log into this app, your interface is going to look like this. Okay, it's simple interface. There are going to be lots of people on that platform. Now, I believe when you sign up as a male, they'll present you a lot of females. If you sign up as a female, I think they'll present you a lot of males. So it depends on how you kind of sign up. Okay, so then the app when an account or a profile has adult content that is NSFW, they'll kind of blind it so that you have to consent to view that content. Okay. So let me first click on Explore Screenshot. All right. So the app looks like this. Down here, it is for you. For you is actually mostly the same as the screenshot that I've showed. That is actually the dashboard, right? There's following. This will be it will show the people you're following. Then Explorer looks like this. Under Explorer, you can see the Explorer is an important actual feature because it's the only feature which can help you to show you the nearest. If, for example, I'm in Kenya, I can be presented people who are around East Africa, Tanzania, Uganda, Kenya, something like that. If you're in US, you can be presented people around your state. If you're in Spain, you can be presented people around your state or around the country. So that is the use of the Explorer. They kind of look the same as the for you, but Explorer is kind of show the people who are nearby. Okay. So, and there is more, there is audio, there is match. The match tab is can help you to the app itself can try to match you with people. So you can swipe no or yes. You can cancel. You can accept games. There's some people actually can spend some time playing games. In other words, the app is actually made to make you stay in the app. Okay. If you click on the user will be presented like this. It's kind of a bit congested. You see a lot of people who are commenting on this person, and you'll be presented with gifts. Actually, this platform kind of emphasizes the viewers to gift the creators. So I think that's the reason why most creators love using Tango, because the people who are viewing you live, they are bombarded with these gifts to send them to you. All right, as you see these ones here down, uh, the comments are those which are going up. Okay, if you want to send a message to this person, you have to first click on this plus. You have to first follow him. In other words, you can't really say hi to a person unless you follow him. So you have to first follow him, then you send him a message. Okay, but the gifts are all over. Okay, and some people say like everyone here is creating other content, but actually see some people who are decent, like this person, he just sits there then talk and then stuff like that. So everyone has his own style. Okay, when you click on content which is other content, maybe someone is producing NSFW content, the app will bring you something like this. So before you view that content, you have to say yes, show me. Okay, then you'll be shown that video or picture. Or you can just tick always show NSFW content, then you won't have to switch on that. Okay, within the app, there are coins. You have to buy some coins, and actually these coins carry different currencies. By the way, to send these coins, you have to actually add your bank card so that you load some coins into your accounts. These coins are real money, so you can't just send people. Yeah, so that's what I can say. I think, except for maybe that number 8, I think that is a free love icon. And but here there are coins as you see on TikTok. Okay, so you can follow someone. People here try to grow a following, so following someone is very important. You can follow and then send him a gift. Under the gifts, I think the lion is the biggest gift that it has like 5999 coins. I think these are what someone that's a cost to send the lion. Okay, so yeah, the lion is, I think, the most expensive you can send to someone. All right. There are chats. Okay, I've shown you my chats. There are chats, and you can chat with people here. Actually, after joining the platform, you realize you get a lot of notifications on your chat section. But some of those chats, people say most of them are bots. So be careful to click on them, because okay, they're not really harmful, but these bots they kind of send you pictures, then they tell you to view that picture you pay. But some people are saying like some of those messages are bots and they're not real people, so they just take your money. They will not take your money, but you'll be spoiling your money for someone who is a bot. So not every message that you receive here is a real message. Okay, so some of those messages are bots, and the bots are actually asking gifts. Okay, because here you can send someone an album. You can send someone an album of photos and videos, but to view them, you have to pay. Okay, so I think that's why bots are many in this platform, and the kind of a way people are making money. I think someone makes a boat, and the boat collects money, so actually also it cashes out. All right. So then what else have I haven't talked about? Okay, this is for you. The for you is just, actually I talked about this. For you, you just see a lot of actually people. You just have to scroll down. The accounts which you see with VS, I don't know if you can see VS. It means actually they are in competition. They're like competing to see who can really get the most gifts. Right? Just know like VS is like, I think it's like someone versus someone. Okay. Some of these accounts, when you click on it, it can show multi people. Some of these profiles I've seen, if you click on it on the right side, they'll be loading other people who are competing with that person. So it can be a group thingy. I don't think you can give the whole group, but I think you have to give the independent people. in this app. Okay, so I tried to search it on. If you go around on Google, you'll be surprised that people make money. There's a group. Someone says that I've been with a guy who earned this per year. This is a lot of money. Most people will actually, some people work all of their life without actually making this money. So it's kind of really crazy. And this year she's expecting this. Okay. So this is a lot of money. So, but anyway, everyone has his own way of doing things on this platform. It's hard really to know, like you make it like another person, but you know, I think it depends on someone's like and style. Okay, and when you go on the comments on Play Store, there's some people who are complaining about a verification, ID verification. So it means when you have earned money, you will need to verify your identity. So you have to you have to know you have an identity, and it has to match, I think, your face or something. So that is important. So I think if you have earned some money, don't wait to make a lot of money. First, make sure like you can withdraw that money by verifying, because this one is saying like the first verification was failing, yet he had money to withdraw. So it's important to know. It's important to kind of earn some few money, verify your face. If you're accepted, actually, this is a first verification on ID. It's a first verification. So if your verification passes, it means the next time you withdraw, you're not going to really have a lot of issues. Uh, Someone says it's not bad, but somehow confusing. There's so much happening in the app, and I get notification and messages every few seconds. But some of these messages, I think, actually, as I've told you, they may be actually bots. But she's true to say there's a lot of things which are going on. For example, if you open someone's profile, there will be like comments flying up. There will be like gifts here. There will be the app will be telling you get a VIP status. So there's a lot of things which are going on in your face. Okay, so that's why some people find it a bit congested. Okay, so that's what I can tell you about this Tango app. But generally, it's a very big platform. It's growing at a very fast pace. It has more than 100 million downloads. So, and it's growing. Probably if you watch this video, it will be more than 100 million. Okay, it's just growing every month. So that's what I can say. But this is a platform where like you can even talk in your native language. Then it can be the other person can translate that language. You can send a video chat in seconds. You can send a live. You can send an audio, but it's, you have to know like you have to really. Sometimes you have to buy some these coins. There are some features which you really can't do without coins. In fact, most of the girls in this platform, it's almost impossible to actually really do a lot of stuff like view them live without really paying. Because there are some who will actually switch on premium, meaning only people who have really done some who have really sent some coins can really see them. Okay, maybe dancing or something. Okay, so let me know what you think about Togo. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel if you're interested in random app reviews like this. Okay, so bye bye.